Yo, what's good, y'all? So today is day 61 of 0 to 1 million in 365 days. So today is bike day. So, um, tuloy-tuloy lang yung bike natin para lumakas yung endurance natin sa fucking racetrack and shit. So, today we're sitting at $340 today. So, ngayon pa lang yun. As of, um, wait, what time is it right now? I don't know, but sitting at 340 today. Hindi pa nag-end yung araw. So, basically, passive pa rin yun. Uh, yeah, actually, tapos na ako. Tapos ko na i-build yung unang page, yung product page nung bagong product. And then, I'm going to start advertising it today just to see if it's gonna get tractions and shit like that. But um I think I'm gonna test it for like, I don't know, maybe fucking 7 days or some shit. No? Or 2 weeks. I don't know. It really depends on how it goes. But we're gonna stick to it for like for the next 2 weeks, and let's see if may makukuha pa tayong fucking uh, sale kahit isa. So, if makakita tayo ng demand for the product, we're gonna stretch it out to for a month. So, oh my god, there's a guy here. Bro, pwede na siguro itabi yung sasakyan eh. So yeah, quick update lang you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna talk like I don't know if I'm gonna yap tonight or while doing this shit, while doing this pajak type shit, you know. Let's see if I can talk about other things. If not, probably gonna talk later tonight when I got back, you know. So for now, we're just gonna keep on going. Padyak lang na padyak hanggang natapos natin yung fucking 20 kilometers minimum. So have to go padyak for for 20 kilometers, you know. I don't know how many miles is that, but yeah, probably maybe around 20 some shit, you know. I don't get it. Uy, yung minivan, no. What I'm planning to buy, that minivan. Look, looks fucking small, looks tiny as fuck. Pero may purpose yan. Bro, imagine you can actually uh, put your bike sa loob nung fucking K-car na yon, minivan na yon, which is fucking crazy. So, magagamit ko siya talaga sa lahat ng mga kailangan kong gawin. Like, sobrang liit pa niya. Actually, nahirapan talaga ako manap ng parking para sa decent size na sasakyan. For example, yung ibang pickup na cars, no, na second hand. Wala mo parking yan, so kinonsider ko talaga yung minivan. So, bro, the fuck. Consider ko talaga yung minivan. Para, yun nga, gamitin siya pang racetrack, travel, and pang little bit of business. Let's see if how it turns out kung makapag-business tayo or makapag-coffee shop or magagamit ko siya sa pag-build ko ng like clothing brand or some shit. No? So, fuck man. Uh, let's see. Uh,
Yo, what's good? So, nakauwi na ako. Quick update lang yun. So, wala na akong masyado sasabihin kasi 3 AM na. So, yeah, balitaan ko na lang kayo bukas sa day 62. No, so, edit ko lang to and then I'm gonna sleep and then, fuck yeah. Peace.